February. Let's go. Come on. I'm tired. I'm really, really tired. We have to understand when we have a better way to do this, I guess. Yeah, synchronization is not working. Let me see why. Do we have more than one bill? Nope. But he apparently, look, synchronization did not work. Yeah, it's not working anymore. Yeah, we're good. That's weird. Let me see how many bills we have here. Yeah, January, February. Let me log out from here. I'm logging again. The synchronization is working fine. Okay, Claude gave me some suggestions later, but now that I'm looking at, I'm not convinced. Yeah, still not convinced. This is because I really want to understand the reason why we get this. So we have this race condition. Let me delete everything again. Let me delete. See what's happened when we delete a bill. Delete. Okay, everything's deleted. Checking the database because this should be the single source of truth. The database. The backend database. Now what we're gonna do here is create a new bill. But let me check first for some updates here. So in my case, let me see my debug, and we are good with debugs. Yes, we have some debugs here going on. Let me attach this to the Android. Let me first of all check the home. I think all the issues are here in the home view model. Update. Maybe the duplication happens here, and also here get payments. When this is changed, so let me make a new. I'm gonna add new update ThePrice mock. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Let me see. Payment update. Yeah, I don't want this. I don't need this. Neither this. So okay, we're gonna add new stuff. Okay, we're gonna add new stuff here. We're gonna add so I believe that bill is created, right? Payments created. That's complicated because let me see what happened. It's kind of stupid because I created a bill first, and at the same time I create payments. Let's understand what's going on. So let me do this bill. So event. I have this print event. Action when. I will enter this when. So I'm gonna do something like this. Table. Update. Event. Table. And another one is action. Just to check which actions I'm receiving. Event. Action. Okay. This is good. Another one is here. So I want to do this. Gap payments, okay? So, yeah, I think another one would be like, oh, what are you doing? It's not gonna be here. I think it's gonna be insert payments. And we're going to insert yeah. Yeah, it's going to be here. Right over here. Because this is also creating new payments. So inserting, let's see, or payments to add. Payments created locally. And that's gonna be the payments to add size. Okay, now we are good. Let me see if we're still running. Yeah, we are good running. And what I'm going to do here is just create stuff in the iOS side so I can see the Android receiving, synchronization events. Let me create it here real quick. Just sim 31 and create. That's a bummer. I didn't receive shit. I should see something here, but I didn't saw anything. Let me see log. Success syncing. Yeah. Okay. Android didn't receive anything from iOS side. That's a bummer. Let me open this, close this. We're back online. I think we don't have a connection anymore. Yeah, we lost the connection. crash not found. Look, I have a crash here. Binding stuff. Nothing yet. Still nothing. Am I connected with the same no hard code apps? Yeah. Oh, now I cannot go back, right? Yeah, I cannot go back. Oh, that's such stupid stuff. I'm gonna open this again. Still nothing. Why are we in the same no hard code apps? Log out, sign in. I'm laughing, but seriously, I'm sad as fuck because make no sense. Now I'm not receiving the synchronization events anymore. You kidding me, right? Well, it's connected. Now we are connected again. Nothing. Let me see what we got from the database. Database has no bill for this ID, but iOS seems like iOS is not sending anything to the database. So let me log out and log in again. No hard code apps. And what happened there is the iOS is not sending anything to the database. This is another bug. Totally different. Let's see. Nothing. Now from the iOS side, I cannot send anything to the database. That's weird. And why? Why this is happening? Are we lost somehow the connection? We lose. Do we lose the connection with the database somehow? Let me see. Process finished. Yeah, our screen error updates equal no roles for those set. Yeah, we have a bunch. Let me see if now we got something. No. Well, now we're reading this. Yeah. Internal warehouse server. No rule for the database. Okay, let me see if my response put. Oh, put. Why I'm trying to do put instead of post? Removed. Device removed. Put is updating, right? Post is creating. Why? I'm trying to update something that do not exist in the backend. Jesus Christ. I'm so sad right now. So sad. Error. Something keep trying to do stuff here, right? But I think could be here. Let me get the out of here because I don't recall that I have a. Oh yeah, still and yeah, we'll keep trying to do this because I have a while loop. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, log out. Did we stop now? Let me see. That's my terminal. It's here. Invalid. So look, I keep sending malware is small format, token small format. So I keep sending but updates even though I'm logged out. Just closed. So okay, even though I'm logged out. Oh, that's another issue. Even though I'm logged out, I keep trying to send stuff to the database. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got it. Jesus Christ. I have a big issue. Look, okay. Cloud. Oh my God. What happened? Let me see. I'm not gonna ask Claude right now. Let me see what happened because I have this queue here that I implement myself, and I believe the sync kill is not being cleaned when the user logged out. Okay. Is the let me first of all so where this is implementation, this is so I have a bunch of places where this queue is being called. Look, yeah, if you're locked out, you just should clean this shit. Okay, event queue. Yeah, I need someone understand which class this is work, right? Let's spin up this. Just keep running in background. I keep trying to send stuff to the database. Even though when I clean up my stuff, right? Oh, well, oh my God. What's going on is what's going on is that I'm a piece of shit. That's what's going on. I have this sync event worker. Take a look at my sync event worker. Oh my God, take a look. Let me make this back to the take a look at my at my sync events. Events worker. Check whether it will stop trying to send what? Local data when the user is logged out. How Claude doing this session? It's doing fine. What? Good. That's really bad, man. That's really, really bad. I just noticed I have a bunch of problems with synchronization here. Bunch of fucking problems that I get. I have to fix it. So first thing is, if I'm not able to send something to the API, I keep looping here. Infinitely active. So I need to stop this. So we'll retry in, look, 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds and keep retrying, send stuff to the API. This is pretty bad. When the we'll try, and then here this retry is gonna end up something delay. And what we do, we're gonna enter the for loop is active. So peak, if it's no, just break, no events. So clean up. So let me check, take a look in the logout logic, because I have to clean up all the remaining events that I didn't send. Yeah, Cloud keep searching, keep looking at. First, this is the first change that I have to do here. So once you log out, just clean up the freaking sync. Oh my God, this is so bad. This is so bad. Sync kill. Okay, kill. Water. Start work after log. But wait, let's see what's a lot. Yeah, no, the sync will not stop when the user log out. This creates several problems. Exactly, several problems there. Oh Jesus! Oh jeez. So many reasons why I'm avoiding this. So many reasons. Oh, it's not this. Please, clean. Yeah, clean. Worker never stop on logout. It's really bad, man. This is really bad. Really, really bad. Stop. Use case does not call logout use case does not call stop. I don't think I have a stop even implement. Stop when the disposed not only stop an app is disposed, not on logout. Cleans all credentials access. What happened after logout? Local clean clears off as okay. Get token returns no. Server returns 41. Unauthorized worker catches error and retries after 5 seconds. Repeats indefinitely until app is closed. When you open the app, I keep trying to send stuff. Oh my god, let's fix this, please. Oh my god. That's really, really bad. Event, let me see. Event never cleaned. Yes, that's true. So log out. We should have this sync. Yes. Recommendation, recommended fixed. That's good. Call here, and we should have a clean as well. Event queue should have a clean. Needs to add this method too. Yes, because we have a bunch of stuff saved in the database. Add this clean, exactly. No, I don't need to add this. Session get token first. No, now valid. Stop sync worker. They're good. Yeah, they're all right. That's all right. Also, you have to check if I have a valid token as well. I start work after log in. Yeah, please create, please save and save and close the editor to continue. Please give me. Please create a detailed plan for this fix. It's fine. I think it's good. I like it. I'm liking it. Or create detailed implementation plan for fixes sync events worker logout issues. So yes, we have a big issue there. I'm seeing a bunch of issues and I'm trying to fix one by one. As you can see, my sync problems are bigger than I thought they would be. Okay, we have this. This is one of the biggest problem we have so far. But I also notice that we are not sending. So to prevent this, I have to just remove the entire app. Delete app. Yes. Oh no, cancel. If I delete the app. I don't know. I think this is not a where I'm sending events, or it is. I don't think so. Let me see. If I'm just log out. Apps open. Let me check whether I'm keep receiving events. And each 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm receiving events where they. Yeah, this is horrible. This is horrible. Oh my god. I think. Let me think. Yeah, I don't. I'm not sure. Maybe will fix one of the issues. I'm such a piece of shit. Yeah, not really. It's really something that I didn't pay attention before. Let me see what's going on in the Android side. Android side, nothing's happening. Well, yeah, nothing's happening in the Android side because we don't have any events. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I knew it that my synchronization was not fine, but I never thought it was so garbage like this. The first thing we have to do here is just fix the. Will you make me an edit? Make this edit to fix sync worker logout. Changes. Open changes in Android Studio. No, it's just update plan. No, allow me edit plans. Yes. Do you make? Do you want me to make this edit to fix sync? Yes. Yes. What are you doing? Fix sync worker logout. Data implementation plan to fix the sync events worker. Oh, this is the same. How about okay? One thing is bothering me. It's just like let me think. Let me think. Schema change immigration critical path. Upside messages enable independent operation. Optional SSA duplication. I don't like this. I really don't like this. I don't think this will solve anything. I don't want to change my database. That's the thing. We should not add. Yeah, I don't like to. I don't like too much explain. I don't like. I don't. Let me try this. And second thought. Second thought. I do not like this plan too much. Too much. Because I think changing the database to because I think we shouldn't allow any will we shouldn't allow the view model to yeah. If we have something duplicated, we just go out. We're gonna go. Yeah. Make your plan. get rid of the concurrent code. Oh my god. Make your plan more focused and get rid of the concurrent concurrent. So I think it's concurrent um, of the race condition instead of changing the database schema for now. Make your plan more focused on get rid of the and also keep the fix. You can yeah. You can keep the fix on the sync worker. Clean and cleaning stop sync kill. Add lockup. No account contamination. Better battery efficiency. Sync resume after lock. Revise the plan. Focus fixing race condition instead of. Yeah, I really don't want to change my database schema right now. I think this will gonna. Oh man, too much work. I just wanna fix the main issue. Then, of course, we can improve this later. But I think the best approach just first is obviously just clean up the sync queue during the during logout, and I have to understand what's causing the race condition. Maybe this probably is this on-demand creation of payments. It's causing this problem. We still don't see it clearly how this can happen, and maybe I will get rid of the on-demand creation also as well. But I have to check how I'm going to create the next other bills, right? I'm tired, man. I'm so tired right now. I'm so freaking tired. I want to give up. That's the reality. So we'll take a look on this plan, Claude Pen, give it a read. That's complicated. Hi, everybody. Hello. Give me the plan. I'm tired already. So many places to fix. Oh my god. Every time I open the app, do something, I realize something is breaking. A new stuff is breaking. So duplication maybe is being caused by. I still don't know what's causing the duplication, honestly. is all assumptions. It's all hypothesis. So one of them is that this sync queue will, the sync queue keep trying to send events. Or what? Okay, so what can happen is that when we create a new payment, let me just see the places where I call this sync worker. Okay, sync worker is fine, but let me see places where I update this sync queue. So let me see interface. So I have this add bill, edit bill, and edit payment, and we have this in home. Oh, edit bill. We just this could be the cause of my problems. Look, first I send the bill, then I send the payment. Okay, so when I receive the bill, hold on. When I receive the bill, I start creating the missing payments. Let's take a look. Okay, I got it. I got it. So first I receive the payment, then I receive the bills, but when I insert the payment the first time, what happened? Automatically, I will start creating payments. Okay, I will start creating payments. For the current month. Because I don't have it. I still don't have it. That's what happened. Let me check. Maybe this is the cause. This is what causing the issue. Look, right over here. Insert payments. On save. So here we going to insert bill with payments. So this okay. This will run, and then we're going to enqueue. Oh my God, how we say this in English? Let me see. Queue. I'm saying queue, but I don't know if this is enqueue. And how to say this? Queue. Is queue? Queue. What's how to pronounce this? Kill. We have kill and queue. Queue and kill. Okay, that's fine. That's the problem right over here. I think this is the problem. And after this, we update. And why I'm updating the bill? What is this? On event. What? And okay. Look, this update bill will be observed here. This right? This update bill. Yeah. It's going to be observed. This is a mutable state flow. And then we have a combine. Every time I update a bill or the state, we're going to add bill states, the information here. Just to update the screen. But that doesn't matter in the save, actually. It really don't matter because on save is just we are saving. Why I'm updating? On is saving false. Why I'm doing this? Why I'm updating the bill that I? Oh my god! I'm not sure. I'm not. I have no idea why I'm doing this here, because this is on save. This should not be. We don't need to call this to do. I will let the way it is. I'm not gonna change anything right now. Just want to put a to do here to say the this should this, I think, is this should this being called, and that's what I'm trying to say. Should this being called, is this call necessary? I think this is is this call necessary? Change, man. Necessary. Is this call necessary? That's the first question I have here. And this, could this? Oh my god, this is so bad. Could this been responsible for the bills, duplication and other devices, synchronized I think it's like this, right? Synchronized devices. And also I think we have a synchronized, yeah. Responsible. Responsible. I don't know how to write responsible. Responsible. Yeah, what I wrote here. Responsible. Responsible. Spawn. Is this correct? It is. Look, responsible. 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 To do. Okay, we have something going on here. Take a look at also to improve our plan. Okay, so take a look. Significant reduce payment duplication, mutex, double checks, SS event handle. Take a look. Yeah. Okay. Now, before I wrap up. Okay. Before we wrap up, please take a look at, this is so hard to type. Take a look at where add build view model to add build view model and address my to do comments. Check whether the assumptions could be correct and update your plan accordingly. Accordingly. I don't know if it's I'm just oh my god, this is my English training every single day. Not a single feedback from one of the things I'm writing. I think this is how I believe I can train my English. It's just using English, and then if Claude understand, I think a human also will understand. So, oh my God, such a bad writing, bad speaking, but is this how you improve? This is how you train, just by using it. So I think that here we have a huge problem in the because make totally sense this being the cause of the synchronization error. Pick up, yeah. I think the thing that I have to learn is how make Claude pick up a previous conversation from a document instead of this README file. Not README, there's Markdown file. I know Claude uses Markdown files, but I also want to, just like I said, I want to keep in something like this and Notion. So I think I have to connect Notion with Claude somehow. I have to learn how to do this, and at least we have a nice place where our conversation or plans to fix like this is centralized. Look, because otherwise I will have to keep always copying from here to my Notion. Yeah, we'll update this entire stuff. I don't want to deal with migrations at all. Not right now. I don't think this is the moment because yeah. So we have a bunch of problems that I have to fix. At least I know something to work on, because before this I didn't even knew what to work with, whether I have to work on. And that's why I was avoiding so much dealing with this. So, and it's really hard, man. It's really hard to fix something. And I have to keep in mind that this app. I think my biggest mistake was to implement synchronization by myself. I think this was my biggest. It was really stupid to do this. And now I understand why people avoid to do this from scratch. But what I hated is that, when it comes to find a job, right? They will ask you this kind of question if you know. They will ask you to explain how synchronization works, all this mechanism behind the libraries or services you're using, They will ask you, oh, how this works, how synchronization works, how you would implement synchronization in your app. And sometimes, yeah, we rely heavily on some type of database that is not flexible at all because you depend entirely on the synchronization mechanism of the specific database or cloud database, such as MongoDB. MongoDB, I think Atlas, MongoDB did had a synchronization mechanism before, not anymore. I think they are not continuing with this feature, but back then did have this kind of synchronization mechanism, and I was thinking to use it, but my database is I'm not using MongoDB. I'm using Postgres. That's a just a problem there already. And another thing is that your application, the application side, depends entirely on the SDK, this database SDK. So all the way you test your app, how you iterate with the data sources, they depend on this a synchronization mechanism. And that's why I choose to write my own synchronization. But now I'm I'm fucked because it's broken every time. Trade-offs versus the database constraints. Yeah, it's nice that Claude creates these documents so I can analyze later, and learn more about it. But yeah, this requires this step. Just let Claude create this plan, and then I will write later. Right? I will read later and understand what the logic behind Claude decisions. Um, Come on, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is okay. I will deal with this later, but relationship with IDs higher conflict. Yes, this is necessary because this call necessary? I don't know. Duplication. Okay. Now incorrectual as unsaved. Okay. Step 6. Think payment is missing. No duplication check. Critical. We need this double check. This is good. It's still tiny race conditional window, not enforced in database level, requiring more complex application logic. This is causing bill duplication using the same mechanism as payment duplication. Different devices generate different URIs for the same logical bill. Both sync to server and then receive each other SS events. Both devices end up with duplicating bill. Yeah, this is not true. This is okay. Okay, this is okay. I guess. Yeah, it's not only this. I think the logic is good, but this is also the this is the first event that we receive in the other device, and then after we're going to receive the bills, the payments, right? So bills first. So we're going to create a bill in our side, and then we're going to create the payments. But I think this is what is the main reason why we are getting this race condition error. Let me ship to V, and we need here. Yeah, I want to copy every single thing that is here. I think it's not shift, it's alt. Yeah. Are we? Yeah, no. I want to select every single thing. How I select everything? Like this. I have to do. Sorry. It's not only my app that synchronization's fucked up. Sorry, requests too large. Try import instead. Okay. Okay, we are fucked. Where is this plan? Save the plan so I can see later. Like the plan. Save. Look, save the plan to MD. Let me see. Cloud, save this plan to my desktop. Let's see. Robust drifting large. Look, I just want Claude to copy this shit to a file into my desktop. This is what I asked. It's using that much of tokens to do something like simple as that. Oh, this is crazy. Let me go ahead and open this thing in the Vim terminal. Let me see if I can just do this. Vim. It's not Vim. No Vim. Yeah, we are here. Stop. You're stupid. Shut the fuck up. Sometimes, Claude, I don't understand you, man. Press, type, continue. What are you talking about? This is the entire plan. We're good here. So what we're gonna do here? I'm gonna copy this. Let me kill this. Let me just. What we're going to do is CP to where. Let me see. CP desktop plan MD. Let me see if this is. I was able to do this. Plan MD. Yes, allow. That's it. That's what we have. Okay, let me import this. Edit. I really don't know how to import stuff here. That's the thing. A page, text marking down, import. Yeah, choose from my desktop. Go back to Notion. What happened? I didn't read. What's going on here? Import. Continue. Yeah, this is the guy that I want. Importing progress. Our data is being okay. Oh yeah, took some time. Yeah. The only thing that I wanted is to Claude do this for me. New apps plan. So we have new page. New page. Yeah, I want to move this to other places. Let me see how we can do this. Apps. I think we can do this, right? Price. New page. Can we do this? Give this another name. A plan. So it's gonna be fix. Prevention. Duplication level condition prevention. Got it. New page. We can delete this because yeah, we already have whatever we want here. Fix duplication. Okay, I'm gonna read this later. I'm going to read this later. Give this a reading. Yeah. Clean. You piece of shit. It's not clean. Yeah, I think it's clear. Okay, Claude understood. Clear conversation story and freed up context. Oh, I think we are fine here. Yeah, I think I'm done today. Not today, but I think I will do this offline. Or I'm not gonna do this at all today. Oh my god, so much thing. I'm already tired as fuck. That's the reality. That's the reality. I have to analyze this. I know that I have to change. We'll do this later. Because first thing I have to do is stop the synchronization when the user logged out. It's logged out. That's the first thing I have to do. And then I will check whether or not what is really causing the it's the creation of bill creations. Yeah, it's causing the duplication of payments duplication. Close all tabs. Okay, I think that's it. I'm tired. I have to eat more, and I think I cannot think anymore. That's what is happening. I have to rest a little bit. And then I will go. I'll be back. Not recording, but offline. I have to read this. See what makes sense, what doesn't, and implement it. So this is good. Critical files to modify. The nice thing is that Cloud generates this plans, keep saved. Oh my god, what I did. Expect outcome. Significantly reduced payment duplication. I should just remove all payments duplication. Just build. We don't have duplication bills at all. Yeah, Claude got this wrong because we don't have bills duplication. But yeah, that's okay. I think that's it. Until see you in the next video. Yeah.